Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to create TDS special category. What TDS special category is basically if your vendor have a certificate for TDS rebate, whether it is for form 15H or 15G or income tax rebate. So that particular entry you can create over here. That form is available in accounts payable TDS special category mode. You need to select the vendor, which vendors uh, which vendor have the certificate. So let's suppose I have selected this blessings on private limited, then I selected it as a form 15H. So form 15H means there won't be any TDS applicable on that particular vendor under the specific sections, which section I will provide. So 15G and 15H, in 15G and in 15H there won't be any TDS applicable. So I have to provide a start date over here, from which date this rebate is applicable, and then I also have to provide end date over here. So I have to provide period basically, then effective date from which date that rebate is applicable. Then I need to provide the certificate number, which by against which certificate number that rebate is applicable. Then finally I have to provide the TDS section, on which section this rebate is applicable. So section would become from your vendor master form. In vendor master form there is a field TDS, then whatever TDS category you have selected there, that will appear over here automatically, and you can provide the you can select it from here, right? Second one, next one is income tax rebate. So if you select income tax rebate, then you have to provide cap amount. So cap amount would be provided in your TDS rebate certificate, and the rebate rate, like how much percentage is applicable on that particular section. So suppose on commission and brokerage there is a 10% of TDS, but you have a certificate for 5% or 4% or 3%, whatever that percentage you have to provide over here, and you need to select the section from the list that will come from fund registration form. Once you'll save the entry, now system will deduct 5% TDS under this particular section from this particular period, in this particular period, and till this cap amount. After this amount, system will deduct as usual. Thanks.